Hi guys, we're going home now, and this is our baby, cutie baby. See you guys later. Hi guys, welcome back to the ARELLANO'S. So we just got home after a 24-hour stay in the hospital. So I'll just show you what are the giveaways that we got from Canadian Specialist Hospital. So yung labor and delivery and birthing story ko, next time ko na lang ikwento sa inyo kasi medyo mahaba and exciting siya. So maybe I will upload this vlog first before that one. So this is what we got. We got this one box from Noon. And it has the little handy box for mommy and baby. So, and also we got this bag. This is from Similac Mama. So we'll just check what's inside. See you guys. So guys, I'm back. So samantalahin na natin to mag-vlog while baby is sleeping. So as I said earlier, we just got home. So I have already gave her milk. Though I don't have breast milk yet, so I'm giving her formula milk. But I'm still trying to latch. Maybe after some few days, maybe hopefully I will get some milk. So let's see. Let's unbox this first. So from the Noon box, we got here this Pampers Newborn Premium Care Diaper. So it is 22 pieces of diapers and size 1 and good for 2.5 kilogram babies. So this is also what we prepared for diaper. So Daddy will buy also diaper like this one. And the next one is the Tommy TP bottle. So this is Tommy TP milk bottle. This is 150 ml or 5 ounces. Okay. And we got also some sample soothing and protecting baby wipes from Himalaya. So this is with helps protect baby against snappy rashes, and it is mildness tested for baby skin. So as you can see, baby is in the background, she's sleeping. And we got here also Castella samples. So this is my preferred brand for baby since Kylie, she's using also Castella brand and she's a Castella baby. So, yun lang yung skincare na hiyang kay Kali. So, let's try. Sana kay baby, yun din yung mahiyang sa kanya. And yun na rin yung mga binili ko na skincare essentials for baby, Castella brand. So, we are a Castella baby. So, we have here the Vitamin Barrier Cream, the Castella Vitamin Barrier Cream. So, ito yung usually nilalagay after every nappy changes. So, para hindi magkaroon ng rashes si baby. So, I have the bigger size of this one already. And we got here also the baby lotion. So, I have also the bigger size of this. And we have here the Gentle Cleansing Gel. So, ito din yung ginagamit ko kay Kylie. So, I have also stocks of this one, the bigger one. So, that's it. They have here the Castella Moisture Recovery Cream. So, if ever baby got rashes or some like spots, red spots, so you can use this Castella cream. So we have here how many sachet? 1, 2 sachet of Castella cream, and this is for soothing chest rub. And we have here another soothing chest rub. Okay. So, and this is some leaflets or brochure of Castella. So they have different kind of ointment. It depends on your skin type. So this one, so they have a complete care for dry skin, for normal skin. So they have this one. So usually for Kylie before, when Kylie had an eczema, so I'm using the Stellatopia line of products. So for now, I bought for Chanel, the norm for the normal skin type. So anyway, if she got eczema, then I have already for Kylie. I can use the same one I'm using for Kylie. So that's it what we got. So this is from Noon, and there's a discount of 15% on your first order and 10% on all other orders. So we will just be using this code. So thank you, Noon, for this gift set for Chanel. So guys, the next thing that we have to open, or this is not box, what's inside the bag of Similac Mama. So we have here the Similac Gold HMO. So we're gonna use this since I will just mix fed baby with breast milk and this formula milk. So this is our preferred brand, the Similac Gold HMO. So in the hospital, this is also the same brand that they are using. So they have given also this bottle, which is already I think this is 6 bottles. So we have already used 1 bottle for baby when we got home. So this is it. This is already mixed. So Similac Gold, and you can consume this only for, once you open, you can consume only for 1 hour. So it has also this tits or nipple that you can just place here, so that this is disposable. You can place just here, and then you can just put this in warm water so it will be warm, this bottle. Okay, then we have also 1 sample bag of Sebamed. So we have here, anyway, I'm not using Sebamed, so maybe we can just have this posted in some website or some group who wants to avail this one. So I will give it for free. Sayang naman kasi. So this is Sebamed cream, extra soft for delicate skin with panthenol. So this is for Sebamed cream, or maybe this is a lotion or like that, because I'm not familiar with Sebamed also. I'm just using Sebamed Intimate Wash, but for other line of products, I'm not familiar. So this is Sebamed Cleansing Bar, or maybe I can use this because this is for Sebamed Bubble Bath, and this is Sebamed Fresh Shower. So maybe this is not all for baby, so maybe we can use this for, this is for sensitive skin after sport and strain. So this is what we got. Thank you, Sebamed, for these free samples. And then what we have, what else we have? So another nipple tips. So we got another set of Castella products here. So this is gentle cleansing gel, same as what we have before. So we have cleansing water, we have the vitamin barrier cream, and lastly the facial cream. Guys, we have also a Baby Joy Diaper. So for Baby Joy, I'm using this brand before for Kylie. So this is also a good brand. So we're gonna try also this if baby will not have rashes while using this. But I prepared Pampers. But anyways, I'm gonna try this. So this is 13+3 free diaper. So this is also size 1, good for newborn. So we're gonna try this also. And what else? So there's more in the bag. Oh, we have also Johnson's products here. Oh, this is good. So anyway, we are not using, but maybe I can use this Johnson's products. So we have Johnson's products here. This is Cotton Touch Face and Body Lotion. This one. So, and this one is 2-in-1 wash. Okay, this one. So, yeah. This is just the same in this one. So, 2 pieces of Johnson's sample pack. Okay, so thank you Johnson's and Johnson's. So, I think that's all inside our bag. So, we have 2 samples of Johnson's and Johnson's. We have from Castella. We have from Sebamed. We have from Similac Gold. This is from Similac Gold also, HMO, the liquid one. And the Baby Joy Diaper. So, thank you for all the sponsors of for all these giveaways to Canadian Specialist Hospital. Thank you from the bottom of our heart from all these giveaways and for the all the services and care that you have done to me and to Chanel Freyan when we are still in the hospital. So guys, we'll take a rest first and hopefully I can do a vlog of my labor, delivery, and birthing story soon. Pag may time na po ulit. Okay? So, hanggang dito na lang po. And dun sa mga hindi po nakaka-subscribe to our channel, please do subscribe to the ARELLANO'S. So, we are now 4 in our family. Daddy Godfrey, Mami Yam, Auntie Kylie, and our new baby, Chanel Freyan, Simira Arellano. Hope you will stay with us, guys. You will continue to support us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like those videos that are likable. And please comment for any suggestions, feedback, maybe bad or good. So, we'll take that. Okay? So, see you guys. Bye!